Receding hairline. Maybe that's why I couldn't headshot the guys.
Oh, wait.
Hey there, little guy.
Wait. Oh shit, my
I'll
rope.
fucking go down fighting to you, bitch.
What was that? I can't hear you, bud. Can't hear you, kid. Speak up.
Oh.
You don't got that range, bud. Woohoo! Jesus, the lag, man. Holy fuck. Oh, that was it. That was the headshot to rule
Kid's
them all.
swinging wildly.
Nah, it's fucking like laggy a little bit. Oh, how's that not a headshot, man? He's lit though. Come on over, bud. The water's great, bud. The water's great,
Look at that,
bud.
you little bitch.
Go ahead and take a couple more swings, kid. Woohoo! How do you like them apples, kid? Not today. You only get a couple swings, man. Don't get greedy. Kid was getting greedy. I told him to take a couple swings and he